Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Hi friends, this is Swati. Welcome to my channel, My Craft World.
Today we will learn a recipe generally preferred while on fasting, that is Sabudana Khichdi or Sago Khichdi.
Please like and subscribe my channel.
Things needed: Sabudana small or Tapioca sago 1 cup soaked for 2 hours. Roasted peanuts 1 cup. Green chillies 4. Coriander leaves. Lemon 1/4 or as per taste. Oil. Diced potato. Jeera half teaspoon. Rock salt as per taste. Add little oil in a hot pan. Add jeera. Add chopped green chillies, finely sliced potato and fry it until potato gets soft. Add little rock salt to it. This helps to cook potatoes fast and gives taste to it. Add soaked Shabudana or Sago. Add coarsely grinded peanut powder to it and mix it well. Add rock salt as per taste and mix it. Add chopped coriander leaves to enhance the taste. Cook it until Sabudana or Sago is transparent in color. Finally, add lemon juice to this. Sabudana Khichdi or Sago Khichdi is ready to serve.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for future notifications.